Hey everyone, welcome back to Hadi Tutor, your go-to spot for honest reviews of software, apps, AI tools, VPNs, and more. Today we are diving into a very interesting tool called Vidx.ai. It is world's first platform for discovering faceless YouTube channels, creating videos, or creating a YouTube channel without always showing your face. This could be one to watch. So I'll walk you through what it is, how it works, the pros and cons, and whether it's worth your investment. And of course, I'll give my review for 2025. So if you're ready, hit like, subscribe, and let's get into it. So what is Vidx.ai? Okay, so first up, what are we even looking at? Vidx.ai is positioned as an analytics and discovery platform for faceless YouTube channels. You can search filters and discover top performing AI faceless channels, analyze key data like views, like likes, AI video ratio, virality, etc. So it also offers libraries of channels, videos, and meshes. You can monitor fastest growing channels across time frames like 24 hours, 7 days, 28 days, etc. So you can pick up trends early at Vidx. So in short, it's not a video creation tool itself, but you can use Vidx.ai to find a niche, spy on what's working, and what maybe adopt ideas for your channel or side channel. So let's explore the dashboard and key features. And then I'm going to be talking about pros and cons, pricey, and so on. So let's move through the dashboard. Okay, so here we are in the dashboard of Vidx.ai. So at top left, we have many channels. Then under channel, we have search channel, growth, videos. Under video, we have search videos, tracking. I'm going to be showing everything and how to use it in a minute, but keep watching this video until end. So let's go with the first option, which is search channels. So here is the first dashboard. You're going to watch it after login. So it is basically help you to find niche, analyze the channel, keywords, so on. Sometimes you can make decision what niche can work for you. Okay, so let me show you some example. We are in the search channel. So let's say I'm going to type stories. I just hit search. Then let me show you some other options. So creation day, what does it mean? Creation day mean if you want a channel to see like yesterday's creation date, yesterday, 7 days, 28 days, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, so on. It means that when channel has been created. Okay, so the next option is AI videos. It means that what you want, the ratio of AI content, less than 5, less than 10%, less than 20%, less than 50%, and so on. So the AI ratio is unlimited, less than 5. Oh, sorry, this is it is not the ratio. This is less than 5 videos, less than 10 videos, less than 20 videos, or less than 50 videos. This is ratio. Less than 5%, less than 20%, less than 50%. It means that if you want to explore the channels which have less than 20% of AI content and less than 50% of AI content, you can select these options. Okay, so and so on. So let's say I select unlimited. So the next option is subscriber. If you want to explore the specific channels and as them having less than 10k subscribers, less than 10k to 1 million subscriber, and so on. Similarly, the other features are like video counts, low works, medium works like 50 to 500 views. I just want to keep it as it is. And the video length, video code, no works, and so on and so on, are limited. Short video codes, low works, medium works, high works, and you can put your own numbers. So Outlier, this is Cloud's very unique features. Outlier more videos with the count exceeding 3x the channel average. It means that sometimes after 1 or 2 or 3 was some videos started getting more views. So it means that you want to explore those channels which have these features like 3x exceeded 3x the channel average views per videos. Of course, you can select latest video times, you can select the day wherever you want. And the last one is latest long video time with the similar functions as it is shown above. The latest short time as it is shown above. The total views, you can mention less than 1 medium views, and high views you can put your custom numbers. Average views, also you can put your own numbers, so on. I'm not going to waste your time. Also, you can select the region, like Afghanistan, USA. Let's say I go with United States, and then I would choose. That's okay. Language, I would choose English. You can select your preferred language. Also, the video category, English, confirm. Region, United States, confirm. And even availability, if you want to available to you, you can select this option. So that's interesting part. If you want a specific category channel like peoples and vlogs, travels, film and education. Let's say I would choose education. Let's say entertainment, people and blog, pets, and confirm. And more filters, you can check engagement rate. If you want to go with these options, you can check these options. The other one is if you want any channel having these accounts like Facebook, Instagram mentioned in their bio or about section, you can choose one of them or multiple. The certification is verified channel or no certification likes. You can put your custom number and so on, as mentioned above. The targets, you can choose one of them, or you can put your custom numbers like having these numbers of targets and lower, less than, or above these numbers. Similarly, other functions. So you can send the orders of the results, like or sort by subscribers, sort by latest video times, sort by creation day, sort by views. So I'm gonna go through this sort by views. So this you can toggle this option on like block inactive channels. So I'm gonna click this. Again, I'm gonna go search. So here we got some results like you can see this channel Jovita have AI videos 149, aim ratio is like 7%. This is kind of other results like likes 2.6 million views, and outliners. We already have discussed about these things. Time latest last video, October 20, 25 created January 13, 2025. If you click on this, open a new tab, so you're gonna watch this channel in new tab. But let me show you something else. If you click on this channel name here, so we have others. We have deep analysis here, like subscriber. You can see 379,000. There likes 2.6 videos. Quantity of videos, comments, and 263.9 million views October 28, 25 last real time. And let me scroll down and we have some others data. So you can always choose the preferred one, like 28 days. I would go with 28 days. So total views in the last 28 days are 101.8 million, subscribers 72K, and estimated revenue 48K to 135K. So we have further results. So this is how you can analyze channels have made decision what dish or channel can work for you, and you can move on to that topic. So Momentum is your time, so you can do the same things with other channels. So let's move on to the next option, which is growth. So you can always apply these features to your channels. Let's say if I go with a limited massacre 1 year AI videos, let it be the same. AI video ratio, I'm not gonna click on this one, let it be the same. Unlimited video growth, views growth, you can put your numbers there. Let's say I would say my favorite one, English. Video category, I would go with that's edibles, entertainment, confirm. Shop, you can always apply this as per your requirements. So let's go. So we have the several results here. You can always rig this user. I'm not gonna waste your time. So let's click on that channel. So here we have further details. So you can analyze and make decisions, like as we already discussed, subscriber views, total likes, creation date, the similar features, views, last 28 days, total revenue, so on. So let's go back and talk about some other features. Under video, we have search videos. Here you can search videos with the title. First, let's select the language, anguish, legal category. That's on edibles, entertainment, confirm, block it active. Let's say video title, the cute dog, cats, and click order by, sort by like views, search. We have this channel and so on. You can click and analyze these channels or videos. So you can watch this video or click these 3 dots to analyze these videos. This video, so 73 views, 8 likes, and so on. Also, let me show you something else. You can export the data in Excel sheet. Similarly, we have the export option here at the top. You can see you can export the data in Excel sheet and you can analyze further. And that option is trending. So similarly, we can find trending topics like short stories, edible, like language English, confirm, blog 11 channel. You can always play around these things as per your requirement. So I'm not gonna waste your time. So let's see views. So this is how you give the trending, the original video views to the channel's average views, views per hour, average views per hour, and you give. If you click on this video, you can analyze further and you can favor this video. For now, we don't have any data. So similarly, we have the option 2. Also, if you want to create collection, you can always create a collection like add to favorite. Let's say generally to the video, let's say might choose a yes. Similarly, you can choose any video or any English. You can favorite them as per the requirement. Here we have the favorite option. Maybe you can choose the collection, confirm, that video has been added to favorite collection, to your favorite collection. So that's all for today's video. If you have any question, please let me know. But let me show you something, let me tell you something else, which is pros and cons. So pros and cons are, of course, low tool is preferred, but here are what I see pros and cons. So pros and cons are, let's say pros are later upload angle. You can identify channels videos with metrics, giving you a competitive edge. The faceless niche specifics, like many creators want to scale videos without their face. This caters to the emerging niche focus. By tracking short-term windows like 24 hours, 7 days, you might spot micro trends early. So this is this tool can help you with idea generation plus format research, which you as a creator always needed. So the codes are like things to watch, like it's still only a discovery analytics tool. It doesn't guarantee you will succeed. I mean, the execution, your video editing, content quality, video value, and still matters. Now let's talk about the use case. So here is a quick action plan I would recommend if you want to try Vidx. So by using this tool, you can define your target. Number 2, you can use Vidx to filter your channels, videos. Number 3, like analyze their video format, like things like top 5 AI video tools for YouTube, how I grow Faceless YouTube channels, Faceless YouTube niche ideas 2025, and so on. The number 4 use case is you can adopt and create, like use the ideas. You can craft your own version, your voiceover, your brand channel, and you can also mix your unique perspective. So let's talk about the pricing. We have the pricing here. Let's talk about the pricing. The basic plan starting from $19 per month, which provide you credits, 200 credits, 1,000 data per query, comprehensive search, detailed data, multi-level analysis, and also VIP pricing option we have here, the $59 per month credits. You can have you will have 5,000 credits, 10,000 data per query, comprehensive search, detailed data, multi-level analysis, one-click report export. So, all right, guys, that's all I covered in my full review of Vidx.ai. If you find this helpful, do hit a like button, subscribe to Hadi Tutor. so you don't miss my future reviews.